Hi, this video is going to cover how to make picture seating charts in PowerSchool. So the first thing you do after you log into PowerSchool is you're going to come to this grid and chair icon and click that. On the seating chart page, you'll be able to see all the pictures of your students. If you want to create a new seating chart, you click Seating Chart Design. In this menu, you're going to have the option to add seats by rows, tables, or individual chairs. If you do rows, it'll let you do it in a grid. So if you notice, if I were to do a 4x4 grid, it would give me a square of 16 chairs. You can also add tables. And the tables, you can control how many seats are at each table, as well as how many tables there are, and how many columns or rows of tables you have. You can also come in. If I click out here, they were all selected, that's why they were orange. By clicking in this white space, I unselected all of them. But you can select one specific chair and delete it if that helps you make your seating arrangement match your classroom better. You can also click and drag to select multiple chairs and delete them. Your last option is just to add individual chairs, and you can click and drag them to put them where you want them. Once you have your seats added, you can put your students in. Now, the students' pictures won't, see how they don't automatically go into the square. You do have to line them up yourself. You can also add objects, classroom objects, like where your desk is, where the whiteboard is. You can add the doors. You can also add text boxes, so you can label things in your classroom if that might help someone figure out where things are in your classroom. Once you're done, click Save, and that will save this so that the next time you click, when you come to your seating chart, it'll show up already created. When you're done, you can come up to the top, and in this blue bar, click the printer icon to print. Once you're in the printer screen, it's going to default to looking like this on your page. If you want to, you can come down to more settings, and more settings will appear if you're either sending it to Secure Print or saving to your Google Drive. And in here, you can change the margins to give yourself more space. You can also zoom in a little bit. So this is set to 120, and that's kind of looks like it's a pretty good zoom. And lastly, you can take out this text at the top and the bottom to make it a little bit less cluttered, if you want to, and that just makes it maybe look a little bit nicer. Then when you're done, you click Save if you want to save it to your Google Drive, or Print if you want to print to Secure